Adjust volume or sensitivity. Usually, your clinician will set up your remote control to adjust the volume of the sound you hear. But your clinician can instead set it up to adjust sensitivity. Volume is the level of sound you hear. Sensitivity is the range of sounds you hear, for example, soft, background, close or far away. You can select from up to 10 volume levels or 21 sensitivity levels. Press the plus button to turn up the volume or sensitivity. Press the minus button to turn down the volume or sensitivity. When you turn on the remote control, it always displays the current volume or sensitivity settings, even if you've adjusted the volume or sensitivity using the processor buttons or the remote control.